Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to repair Windows security in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To repair Windows security in Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type Windows security. Now right click on Windows security and then click on app settings, and now scroll down. Under reset you will find a button repair. If this system component is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. And now click on repair button here. Now Windows security is repairing. Now Windows security repair is finished in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.